of flight risk. The British socialite has complained about life behind bars at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, including, she says, being awoken every 15 minutes. She's accused of procuring minors and young women for Jeffrey Epstein.
50 degrees outside, not too shabby, Jeff Smith.
Can't complain about that, right?
Yeah.
I bet it's only going to last for another hour or two, and the temperature's going to be taking a tumble overnight tonight. Yes, but we'll take it. A nice sunset out there. Temperature's 50, humidity's at 50%, a southwest wind coming in about 6 miles per hour. It's that southerly component to the wind that help us get so mild during the day today. 50 has been our high on the day so far after a morning low of 35. You're in the upper 40s at Teterboro, White Plains, but how about 51? That's actually the warm spot in the region at LaGuardia Airport. You got 50 on the east end of Long Island, 50 right now down the shore at Belmar and at Toms River, but all the way down to 40 at Monticello, and that's kind of a sign of what's to come by later on tonight. Some cooler air going to be moving in on a northwesterly wind after a cold front moves on by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're down near the freezing mark in the city, even some upper 20s not too far north and west of town, and barely recovering tomorrow despite pretty much a full day of sunshine, except for possibly a snow flurry up into parts of the Catskills, higher elevations well north and west. But highs tomorrow only getting up to about 37 or so. That doesn't tell the whole story. With the wind, it's going to feel like it's in the 20s pretty much all day, so you get a bundle up tomorrow. And tomorrow night, probably our coldest night of the week. Temperatures dropping down in the mid-20s, even in the city, teens in many of the suburbs. Another chilly day Wednesday, but at least less in the way of wind. Southerly wind warms us up on Thursday, New Year's Eve day, but at the same time, front approaches, we get a little bit of rain. Doesn't look particularly heavy, and in fact, by nighttime, we could be clearing out for a time, or at least drying out for a time, so that by the time that ball drops in Times Square, there might not be anything else falling from the sky. It might be just completely dry for a time Thursday night or early Friday, and then a much heavier batch of rain returns during the day Friday. Now, it's getting a little bit more complicated. Areas north of the city, this may actually start as a period of ice before even there changing over to rain, some heavier rain, later Friday night and a very early Saturday morning. Clear to partly cloudy, brisk and turning chilly. Tonight, we're down to 32 in Midtown, 20s in the outlying areas. Blustery and colder again tomorrow, times of clouds and sun, that high getting up to 37. Again, much of the day feeling like the 20s when you take that wind into account. We're clear and cold with less wind tomorrow night. Light winds, clear skies really allow those temperatures to go down into the middle 20s in the city, even teens in some outlying areas well north and west of New York City. Here's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast as we head into the day on Wednesday. Again, still cold out there, 39, a little bit less wind. Clouds increase on Thursday. Watch for a period or two of rain. Doesn't look particularly heavy, but it is a much milder day. That high getting up to 51. We may dry out, or we probably will dry out for a time Thursday night. So again, right as we ring in 2021, it's probably dry, but then rain returns during the day on Friday. It's mainly during the afternoon. That could start as a period of ice north of the city. 45. Temperatures actually rising at night, all the way up to 56 on Saturday. Clouds giving way to some sunshine, and then a little bit cooler Sunday. We'll have to watch an offshore system later Sunday, early Monday to see if it comes close enough to give us some rain or perhaps even some wet snow by that point. So a lot to talk about all of a sudden in the AccuWeather 7-day forecast.
I like 2021. You know, it's got a little bit of a warmer thing going on.
Yes.
I'm remaining hopeful.
Flip the script.
Exactly.
I like it.
It's what we all need.
Please
right
flip
now.
the script.
Right.
Well, coming up, back in business, the Boeing 737 MAX hits the runway, where the aircraft will take off from starting tomorrow. And leaping to safety, a massive fire kills one person and forces two others to jump out of the window.